Okay class, from statement how can we write down from module name, then import, then function name. Function name can be one or can be more than one. As you are using separated symbol comma, we can take more than one functions at one time to import all these functions from the module we are just requiring. So here is the syntax. Module, we are just to write here from is again a keyword, a reserved word, so you need to write here in lowercase only. From, random, import random. So one method we are just importing from here. So how to do it? From, again I'm repeating, from random, import random. This random, this is the module name random and this is the function name random we are using here. Now it's not compulsory or it's not needed that just you have to write down random dot random function. It's a way of different type of using all the functions over there. So we are just using only the function name. There is not requirement of using module name with it. So as we are using from statement, so you need to just write only the function name you are importing from the statement of from. Here we are writing only the random function like as. So it will provide you, it will give you as per the function significance, that it would be provide you result from 0 to 1.0, that means any random number from 0 to 1.0. It's by default, so its output must be live from 0 to 1.0 here. Now some more examples we are discussing here. From math, import ceil or square root. We are just importing here two functions over there, ceil and square root. So directly we are using here function name. Value is another variable here. We can take any temporary variable, let's say x, y, z, whatever you want here you can take here. We are taking here value as a temporary variable here. Now ceil function's value would be returning in that particular variable. Now square root also we have to just find out. So the value is passing here or assigning here in the value temporary variable. We are just passing that variable as the argument of square root. So ceil function will return us the value of 6 to 4.7 here. So it would be incremented by 1, so it will give you 6 to 4. Instead of that 1624, it will provide you 6 to 5 here. So it's 6 to 5 here, it would return as the integer value to the value here. Now 6 to 5 will be passing here as the argument of square root. Now square root of 6 to 5 would be returning here as the square root of that, that is 25. So square root of 6 to 5, that is 25, as the output we are getting here. Now this kind of from statements we are using to get the use of directly functions over there. Now some more examples we are just showing here, like if we take here from math, import trunk is a method which is used for the truncation to reduce some values over there. So if we use that one, so how to do it? From math, import trunk. So trunk method we are using as the argument we are passing in the square root. So instead of passing only the value, we are just passing all this function over there. It is also working in Python also. So how it will work here? Firstly, this bracket would be solved here. Truncate, that means 0.7 would be truncated from here. Only the value of 6 to 5 would be remaining here. So as 6 to 5 as an argument, as a value would be passed to the square root here. So square root of 6 to 5 is 25, so it would be printed here 25 as a result. So here are some kinds of examples to explain all these modules and functions concepts here. So I hope so it's clear to you. Now this chapter is included all these three kinds of modules. Again I am telling you, first is math module, second one is random, and third one is statics modules, as examples are given here. So I hope it's clear to you. Okay then.